Let's explore the world of cascading style sheets styling in React components. This presentation covers different ways to add cascading style sheet styles to your React components. Let's get started. One way to style components in React is to use inline styles. You can apply styles directly to JSX elements using the style property as JavaScript objects. Here's an example. In this code, we have a button component. The style property is assigned a JavaScript object. The object contains style rules like background color, set to #007BFF, text color, set to white, padding set to 12 pixels 24 pixels, and border set to none. Notice how camel case is used for property names in JavaScript. Another way to style React components is to use external cascading style sheets files. You can import and use traditional .css files in React components. To use external cascading style sheets files, create a CSS file and import it into your component file. In this example, there is a file structure. Inside the source directory, there is a components directory. Inside the components directory, there are two files, button.js and button.css. Now let's look at the code. First, import the CSS file button.css. Then within the button component, use the class name property to apply the styles defined in the CSS file. In this case, class name is set to btn primary, which corresponds to a style defined in button.css. Another approach is to use cascading style sheets modules. Cascading style sheets modules provide scoped cascading style sheets with the .module.css extension for component-level styling. To use cascading style sheets modules, name your CSS file with the .module.css extension. Then, import the cascading style sheets module into your component. Now let's look at the code. First, import styles from button.module.css. Then within the button component, use the styles object to apply styles. In this case, the class name is set to styles.primary, which references a style defined in button.module.css. This approach ensures that styles are scoped to the component, avoiding naming conflicts. Another way to style React components is with styled components. Styled components is a cascading style sheets in JavaScript library that utilizes tag template literals for component styling. This allows you to write actual cascading style sheets code to style your components. This provides the benefits of both JavaScript and cascading style sheets. Let's look at this example. First, import styled from styled components. Then create a styled button component using styled.button and the template literal syntax. Inside the template literal, define your cascading style sheets rules. Finally, use the styled button component in your React component. Another way to style React components is to use cascading style sheets in JavaScript libraries. These are libraries like Emotion for writing cascading style sheet styles directly in JavaScript. These libraries allow you to write cascading style sheets code within your JavaScript files, offering more flexibility and features. Let's see an example using Emotion. First, import JSX and CSS from @emotion/React. Define a button style using the CSS function. Then within the button component, apply the button style using the CSS property. This approach allows you to write cascading style sheets code directly within your JavaScript components. Lastly, there are utility-first cascading style sheets frameworks. Frameworks like Tailwind Cascading Style Sheets use pre-built utility classes. These frameworks provide a set of predefined utility classes that you can use to style your components quickly. Here's an example using Tailwind CSS. In this code, the class name property is assigned a string containing multiple utility classes. These classes include bgblue500, textwhite, px6, py3, rounded, and hover, bgblue600. These classes apply background color, text color, padding, rounded corners, and hover effects to the button. In summary, we've explored several methods for cascading style sheet styling in React: Inline Styles, external cascading style sheets files, cascading style sheets modules, styled components, cascading style sheets in JavaScript libraries, and utility-first frameworks. When choosing a styling method, consider your project requirements and your team preferences. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.